Joining us now, Dharmesh Shah, the chairman of BDR Pharma. Thank you, Mr. Shah, very much for being with us. Now, the number of cases that we used to actually see in India earlier on, just a fraction of what we are seeing now. What sort of an impact has that made on your manufacture of this medicine?
Hi, Vishnu. First of all, very good evening to you. As we all know, mucormycosis is a very serious infection, and this has come as a big setback and a shock to Indian population. Now, as you know, that in mucormycosis, the only drug working is the amphotericin B liposomal injection. Now, these are complex injection, correct? And patient is given as per the body mass, that is 5 milligram per kg body weight. That means if the patient has to be observed on first 15 days, he has to consume more than 90 vials. Then if he is not cured and infection continues, it has to consume more number of vials. This molecule I've been manufacturing for last several years, but the consumption was pretty low. There were better antifungals available like caspofungin, micafungin, anidulafungin, which I've been producing large quantities. But for this disease, the only effective drug is liposomal amphotericin B. Now, this is a complex molecule wherein overnight...
Now, Mr. Shah, just a quick question so that we can understand this. What is the cost per vial? How much does, you said 90 vials, so how much does each vial cost?
Each vial costs approximately around 5,500 to 6,000 per vial.
So 6,000 rupees a vial, and you said that 90 vials are required, right? 90?
That's correct.
Right. Depending so, you're looking straightforward at 5.4 to 6 lakhs for the course of treatment, and you might actually need more as well. So it's an expensive treatment. Yes, go ahead.
Absolutely. It's an expensive treatment. And as I told you, that it's not easy to increase the production overnight because there are 2 or 3 very key elements in this. One of them is amphotericin B powder, where we have only one producer in India whose capacities were limited, probably around 25 to 30 kilos a month. Another very critical fact is 2 of the lipids used to manufacture this liposome, which comes from Switzerland, where there's only one producer. Probably they also has a shortage of this, and they never realized that we would be needing such a large quantity, and they will have to allocate to us because probably they are used for other purposes in Europe. And third major challenge is a filter which we keep in the vial, which we get it from US. They are also unable to deal with our large demand on a shortest possible time. So we are dealing with all 3 aspects in order to see that how we can gather the maximum raw material and step up the production and put the product in the market.
All right. And how soon before you can ramp up? What exactly is the demand right now, and how many doses are you able to supply on a daily basis?
As on today, we had some inventories with us on our regular business, which we already gave it to the various state governments. Now we are exhausted. Our new raw materials have landed just fortnight back, and we have initiated the production. We have been working very closely with the central government authorities and Drug Controller General of India. We have expressed our difficulties in terms of getting large quantity of lipids as well as filter from United States, and also trying to look at other avenues of raw material provider other than Indian manufacturer who has been supporting us very well. Fortunately for us, realizing the fact the Swiss government and the Swiss company also has taken a good initiative to support us. They've preponed our shipments and they are trying to do their best. I personally feel that during now until end of June, not only me, but a couple of other producers who have also got a license, we should be able to bring some sizable quantity into the market. But we all need to understand that this is a complex molecule, right, and the manufacturing cycle is almost 25 days. And each batch, one can take it depending on its capacity between 2,000 vials up to 20,000 vials. So it's not something that you are able to churn out large volume in a shortest possible time. So considering the manufacturing
Right.
cycle and most
Those
of
are
the
absolutely
producers initiated.
critical points, Mr. Shah, that the process of manufacture is not easy at all. It takes a long time. It's also very, very expensive. And getting this to many parts of the country presently is quite challenging. But thank you very much for sharing your thoughts and explaining to us how difficult a process this is, but obviously life-saving medication in the present circumstances of mucormycosis. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks very much.
Thanks, Vishnu. Thank you so much.